We're used to treating AI like a smart search engine. You ask a question, you get an answer, and then you have to figure out what to do with that text. But there is a massive difference between talking about your work and actually doing the work, like physically moving files, renaming documents, and organizing folders on your computer. That is the gap Claude Cowork is trying to close. Under the hood, it runs on Claude Code, a highly autonomous agent originally built for software developers. Anthropic took that complex engine and wrapped it in a clean desktop app, so you can use it without ever opening a terminal. The core pitch is straightforward. Instead of feeding you paragraphs of text that you have to copy and paste, Cowork takes a goal and generates the finished deliverable, whether that's a working Excel spreadsheet with formulas or a fully formatted Word document. But to get those results, you have to break your chatbot habits. You cannot treat this like a casual conversation. You have to adopt a strict managerial mindset. Right now, the marketing around agentic AI is everywhere. We are being sold the idea of a digital assistant that hums along in the background, knocking out your to-do list while you sleep. But running an autonomous system is a serious undertaking. Whether you are navigating a rover on Mars or letting an AI read, write, and execute commands directly on your personal hard drive. Which brings up the obvious dilemma. Is it actually safe and efficient to hand over access to your local folders? Or is this just a fast track to accidentally deleting your most important files? On top of the security questions, there is a hard financial gate. You cannot experiment with this on the free tier. Accessing Cowork requires a Claude Pro subscription, which will cost you $20 a month. So we are going to strip away the marketing hype. We need to test these claims against the friction of real-world application to see if the tool actually holds up. When most people first try Cowork, they type in something vague, like organize these receipts, and what they usually get back is a half-finished file that misses the mark entirely. The fix is the done framework. Before delegating, you must explicitly tell Cowork 3 specific things. First, define the exact outcome, like specific columns and sum totals. Second, provide context, like naming conventions, so it doesn't have to guess. And third, you need strict constraints. You must lay down firm boundaries on what the AI is not allowed to do during the task. If you skip this framework, the system punishes you. Complex autonomous tasks burn through your daily Claude Pro token limits rapidly. A few failed attempts from vague instructions will exhaust your quota. The trade-off for getting finished documents handed to you is the heavy mental effort required up front. You have to manage the project before the AI can execute it. The reason Cowork requires that level of exact management is because it's operating locally. It reads, edits, and saves real spreadsheets and presentations directly onto your hard drive. To keep it secure, Anthropic isolates the AI inside a virtual machine. This digital sandbox prevents the agent from wandering into unauthorized system files, but you still have to practice strict folder hygiene. You need to create dedicated inbox and outbox folders for the AI to work in, rather than giving it blanket access to your entire system. There is a built-in safety net. If Cowork tries to permanently delete a file, it will pause the operation and force you to explicitly click Allow on a pop-up before it proceeds. Even with that safeguard, the golden rule applies. You should hard-code the phrase, "Do not delete anything," directly into your initial prompt. Local file integration eliminates the need for copy and paste, but that convenience shifts the burden of data security entirely onto your own folder discipline. One of the most heavily marketed features is scheduled tasks, which lets you set weekly triggers for repetitive administrative work. When Cowork tackles larger tasks, it spins up multiple invisible subagents. Instead of reading 50 files sequentially, it processes and analyzes them in parallel simultaneously. But here is the first major reality check. Because the agent runs locally, your computer cannot be asleep when that schedule triggers. Second, the Claude desktop application itself must remain actively open. If it's closed, the automation fails. Furthermore, if you attempt to use Cowork to automate complex web tasks via the Chrome connector, the agent frequently gets stuck or blocked by modern website security. Scheduling is a massive leap for local file processing, but it's currently too fragile to be treated as a true set-and-forget cloud employee. The fragility of the software also extends to the setup. A quick scan of user forums reveals a hidden technical reality. Getting the sandboxed virtual machine to actually turn on is a common hurdle. If you run an active commercial VPN, it will immediately sever the workspace connection, throwing you into an infinite loading loop. Strict corporate firewalls cause the same issue, blocking the local network egress the agent requires to operate. Even default Apple privacy features, like limit IP address tracking, must be disabled for the app to function properly. When a session breaks entirely, a final resort usually means diving into your hidden system files to manually delete the VM cache bundles and force a restart. Accessing the bleeding edge of AI capability right now comes at the cost of network stability. You have to possess a high tolerance for IT troubleshooting. Ultimately, you have to weigh the steep learning curve and the technical friction against the actual return on your time. We can map these workflows using an effort versus impact matrix to see exactly where the tool makes sense. If you are a casual user looking for quick answers or brainstorming, the setup here is exhausting. You should stick to the standard Claude chat. But if you are a knowledge worker drowning in messy PDFs, meeting transcripts, and receipt consolidation, Cowork provides an execution layer you haven't had before. Cowork functions as a high-leverage utility, offering massive time savings to those who approach it with the same rigor they'd use to manage a human employee. The rule for using this tool is simple. Stop prompting for conversation and start delegating for execution. Tell me your plan in the comments below. What is the very first administrative task you are going to hand off to this new local agent? Success in this new workspace depends on your own folder discipline and oversight. We've moved from getting advice to delegating actual work, provided you can provide the structure these autonomous agents need to finish the job.